if you don't have enough money to purchase a signal finder, you can actually always use this one.
My name is Alphonse Fokou, the guy who was born in the village called Batie with Francis Ngannou. That is in Cameroon. I'll show you today in my video what I do on my workshop. For those who doesn't know, I'm a technician by trade. If you have a problem of electronic, contact me. If you got a problem of DSTV, contact me. Problem of your satellite, contact me. I believe this video can inspire somebody to be a technician. Why not? To be a professional technician. Why not? To be a DSTV technician. Why not? To be an entrepreneur. Why not?
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like and share.
You may be asking me exactly what I do in this workshop. Guys, it's from this workshop that I connect myself with my client out there. It's from this workshop that I fix appliances. From this workshop that I sell appliances. And from this workshop that I sell part of appliances. If you got any electronic appliance or any electric appliance using in your home which got a problem, you can contact me below. So in my workshop, I fix TVs, I fix fridges, I fix air conditioning, I fix microwave. So that is some basic appliance that you get in this workshop. So we also sell microwave like this one. I also sell microwave like this one. I also sell second hand. Actually, I deal with second hand in this workshop. Most of appliances here are second hand. I make my money out of servicing appliances. I make my money out of selling second hand appliances. I make my money out of doing installation of satellite, installation of air conditioning. If you got a problem of air conditioning in your house, you can contact me. We can do the service of your air conditioning. We can install your air conditioning. If you got a problem with your television, we can repair your television and we can install your television. If you got a problem with your fridges, we can fix your fridge. We can repair your fridge. Looking for the part of television, if you are looking for the part of microwave, if you are looking for the part of fridges, if you are looking for the part of DSTV, this is the right address. You can contact me below. You know, in most of LCD, LED TV, we replace board. So if you got a problem of the board on your TV and you're looking for the board, you haven't seen the board, contact me. Contact me below, guys. You can find my WhatsApp number in my page. You can find my phone number. You can find my email number. Contact me if you are looking for the board for your TV, if you're looking for the board for your fridges, if you are looking for a universal board for your air conditioner, if you want to install in your house, in your premises, your air conditioning. If you want also to install your DSTV, it can be a domestic one, it can be also a commercial. So I do commercial and domestic. I do commercial fridge, commercial DSTV, domestic fridge, domestic DSTV. Okay, so this have been saying, guys, let me take you inside and then we can see. This is where I wake up in the morning and then I go. You know, be a technician is a guarantee that you can always have bread on your table. If you know something, no one can remove it from your brain. If you know how to use your hand, you always give service to somebody, and that somebody will give you bread to eat. Guys, be a technician is a privilege. If you feel to be a technician like me, just do it. Go for it. Go. Definitely keep our spare part here. This is where I keep my spare part. And then you see here, I got a step ladder. Step ladder as a good installer. I need to have a step ladder because the step ladder always help me to go on top of the roof. I got also another step ladder here. This is another step ladder. This one is very long. This step ladder is about 12 meters long. You may be asking me why all this thing is it for? In your workshop, you need this in your workshop. And this is basically my small tools. This is my bottle. This bottle helped me to do welding. This is one of my toolbox. This is my drilling machine, as you can see here. This one is very good for the air condition. This one is very good, very good for the air condition. So if you are doing air conditioning, to drill, I will advise you something like this. So this TV, I'm busy fixing it, and I got some few tools here. This is a multimeter. You need to fix your TV. This is a station to soldering. Do the soldering with this. You understand? So yeah, what is this? This is my meter. This meter allow me to do satellite installation. This, yeah, guys, this is my workshop, as I was telling you. Okay. Yeah, you got a hot air machine. This is actually a hot air machine. This is a soldering station. This is a hot air machine, and we got yeah, this one is another type of satellite founder. This is a transformer. This one gives me a certain voltage. You know, this one is supplied voltages. So this is what we need. And yeah, sometimes it's a board like this one.
You need to hunt for information. You need to hunt for technology. Knowledge is the key for a good technician. To be a good technician, you need to invest in our
part. We keep our spare knowledge.
I always talk to you on the street. I'll talk to you on the street. I'll talk to you in different places. But today, I'm very happy that I'm talking to you from my workshop. And as I have said, in this workshop, we do a lot of things. This workshop is actually the connection between me and my client out there. You know that I have to give service to people so that they can pay me if they are satisfied of my service. For that, I got different service which I give to my client. I'm actually a technician by profession. So I'm specialized on satellite. I make a living out of service. It's true that in this workshop we also sell like second-hand electrical appliances. We sell second-hand electronic appliances like TV, fridges, air conditioner, microwave. And we also sell the part to repair fridges, the part to repair microwave, the part to repair TV, the part to repair air conditioner, the part to install DSTV, anything concerning TV, anything concerning microwave, anything concerning fridges, anything concerning air conditioning, any concerning DSTV, we do in this shop. So if you come to our workshop, we will be able to give you those services regarding those items I just mentioned now. And we can also sell a replacement part. And we sell also equipment of DSTV. If you actually looking for LMB like this one, in this case, this is a smart LMB. If you're looking for LMB, if you're looking for the dish kit, if you're looking for the decoder, if you're looking for installation, the cable, the connector, the splitter, the amplifier, actually anything concerning DSTV, you come to our workshop, we will be able to help you. Okay, I appreciate the love and the support you guys have been giving to me on this journey. And I want to say also, for those who are new, you know, in this channel we got new subscriber every day. So those who are new on my channel, please guys, do subscribe to the channel. That is the best way you can support the channel. That's the best way you can belong to this family. That is the best way you want your guys to grow. You want us to grow, so that I'll be able to share more information. If you go to the channel, we got a lot of tutorial on this channel who's talking about electronic, who's talking about DSTV, who's talking about air conditioning, who's talking about microwave, who's talking about fridges. So actually my domain, which is the electronic, I'll share the information I had in this domain with you guys. It have been many years that I'm doing electronics. So guys, I think I have a lot to share with you guys. For you not to miss what is still coming, and for you to enjoy what is already in the channel, please do subscribe. Support the channel, guys. Support the channel. Support. That is at least what I can ask you to do, because we are here to stay, guys. We are here to stay. We are not here to go. We are here to stay. We have a lot of things to share. Another way of growing our community, another way of growing our society, another way of growing our country, another way of growing our continent, we need to share information. We need to share information. In this channel, we're going to meet a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of technicians, a lot of business people. We're going to meet them, and together we're going to share information. That's basically what we are doing in this channel. If you are new, like I say, if you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you, because with you guys we're going to grow. We are on the road of 30,000 subscribers, and then I know we're going to meet that. We're going to meet that very soon with your help, because without you guys, this channel will not be where it is today. Without you guys, with our community of DSTV, community of technicians, community of business people, community of African diaspora, because we have that big umbrella calling African diaspora, whereby we share what many people cannot see in television. So I need your support, guys, so that we can reach on that level. I need your support so that we can be like Francis Ngannou. Do you know Francis Ngannou? Francis Ngannou, wow, is my brother from another mother. Francis Ngannou is the best man. Francis Ngannou actually is that man, that powerful man who was born in the same village with me. This guy was born in the same village with me. Can you imagine? The champion of MMA. Don't forget, because on the 28th, which is Saturday, on the 28th night in South Africa, I think it will be going to be around 11. Yeah, it's going to be at night around 11, where Francis Ngannou going to be fighting with Tyson Fury. And then we're giving all our support to Francis Ngannou. Don't forget, you are talking to Alphonse Fokou. Alphonse Fokou, the guy who was born in the same village with Francis Ngannou in Batie. This is in Cameroon. In this channel, we're going to meet a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of technicians, a lot of business people. We're going to meet them, and together we're going to share information. That's basically what we are doing in this channel. If you are new, like I say, if you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you. Because with you guys, we're going to grow. We are on the road of 30,000 subscribers, and then I know we're going to meet that. We're going to meet that very soon with your help, because without you guys, this channel will not be where it is today. Without you guys, with our community of DSTV, community of technicians, community of business people, community of African diaspora, because we have that big umbrella calling African diaspora, whereby we share what many people cannot see in television. So I need your support, guys, so that we can reach on that level. I need your support so that we can be like Francis Ngannou. Do you know Francis Ngannou? Francis Ngannou, wow, is my brother from another mother. Francis Ngannou is the best man. Francis Ngannou actually is that man, that powerful man who was born in the same village with me. This guy was born in the same village with me. Can you imagine? The champion of MMA. Don't forget, because on the 28th, which is Saturday, on the 28th night in South Africa, I think it will be going to be around 11. Yeah, it's going to be at night, where Francis Ngannou going to be fighting with Tyson Fury. And then we're giving all our support to Francis Ngannou. Don't forget, you are talking to Alphonse Fokou. Alphonse Fokou, the guy who was born in the same village with Francis Ngannou. The guy who was born in the same village in Batie. This is in Cameroon with Francis Ngannou. Like it. Do like this. Give me this. Just to show me that what I'm doing, you like it. Do this. Comment. Bring some suggestion down there. We are here to share. I say again, thank you. Bah. You always see me on the road. You always see me on the street. You only see me in the party. You see me in the other country. You see me in other places, another town. But I got a workshop, guy. I got a workshop where I fix, I do repair, I do services. I make my living out of services. I give service to people and they pay me, and then I make my living out there. Yes. And then I do service on what? I do service on electronic appliances. I do service on electrical appliances. I do service on DSTV installation and repair. So anything concerning your air conditioner, anything concerning your fridges, anything concerning your television, anything concerning your microwave, anything concerning your washing machine, anything concerning your DSTV installation and repair. Oh, one address. Fokou Media. Guys, that's what's all. Let me go back to it. I need to repair something. I need to do something. In fact, I need